Thank you for buying this 15962 door handle designed for passageways that you can open on both sides. You cannot lock it. Simply there are a handle to turn and open or close the door. These are all the parts you will get. This fits for doors between 1.38 inches to 1.77 inches. The inside mechanism is adjustable, so you can position your handle further away from the door jamb or vice versa. In addition to this particular color, we also have matte black in the same design. And these are how the parts fit together. Different angle. And then the other end close in. And then you can fasten with the 2 screws. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. The wood screws are for the brackets that goes to the door or the door jamb, respectively. There's a protective film you want to peel off to review the good-looking metal. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. In addition to passageway door handles, we also have privacy, entry door, as well as closet door handles. This item section only demonstrates how to take the handle off to change the orientation. We couldn't put that open because the little trick, this little device, you push that pin in, then you can pull the handle off. The other piece is exactly the same way. If you have a custom project require large quantities, feel free to contact us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. In addition to hardware, we also supply doors, windows, cabinets, countertops, flooring, a wide variety of building materials. If you plan your project ahead, you can save substantial amount of money by working with us. Do like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Once again, thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.